If your parent is 65 years or older, then this video might save you hundreds of thousands or even millions of shillings in hospital bills. Because the truth is, most people in Kenya only start looking for medical insurance for seniors after an emergency happens, and by then, it's already too late. So today, let's talk about the best medical insurance options for seniors aged 65 plus in Kenya, and more importantly, what to choose in 2026 without wasting money. Now, before I mention any cover, here's the first rule. Don't buy senior medical cover just because it's cheap. Cheap cover that can't help you in a real emergency is the most expensive mistake you can make. So what should you focus on? First, inpatient cover comes first. For seniors, outpatient is nice, but inpatient is the real deal. Because hospital admissions, surgery, ICU, and emergencies are what drain families financially. So your cover must have a strong inpatient limit and access to a solid hospital network. Next, confirm pre-existing and chronic illness terms. This is where most people get shocked. Many seniors already have conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, ulcers, or even heart issues. So always ask this: does this cover include chronic illness management? And if yes, is there a waiting period? Because some covers won't pay immediately and others cover it after a few months. Third, check the hospital list. In 2026, don't buy a cover if it only works in small clinics far from where your parent lives. Instead, choose a plan that gives your parent access to hospitals near home, reliable specialists, and emergency services. Because convenience matters when someone is elderly. Now, here's one most people ignore. Don't overlook the co-payment. Some covers will pay, yes, but they still require you to top up with a co-payment, especially for big hospitals. So always confirm this. If my parent is admitted today, how much will I pay out of pocket? That question alone can protect you from unexpected bills. So what should you choose in 2026? Here's the simple approach. If your budget is tight, start with a basic inpatient-focused senior cover, then upgrade as you go. If you want maximum peace of mind, choose a cover with strong inpatient limits, chronic illness support, a good hospital network, and clear claims processes. And if your parent visits hospital frequently, pick a plan with outpatient and pharmacy benefits, but only after inpatient is secured. A final tip: the best medical insurance for seniors is the one that pays when the pressure is high, not the one that sounds sweet when you're signing. So before you pay for any plan, compare at least 2 to 3 options and confirm limits, waiting periods, hospital list, chronic coverage, and co-payments. And if you want help choosing the right medical cover for your parent, step-by-step insurance can get you a quote and help you compare the best senior medical cover options in Kenya based on your budget, your preferred hospitals, and your parent's age. Just reach out to Step-by-Step Insurance today and let's help you get a cover that actually works when it matters most.